Hello, everyone, and welcome to Taste of Thoughts with Dr. Irina. Dr. Irina, how are you today?
Wonderful, wonderful. How you been?
Well, I'm just doing wonderful as well, and I see so many ingredients on the table today.
Yes.
And then I'm wondering, what are you going to prepare for us today?
I think this is very fancy special dish.
Fancy
and
special dish, I love
very
it.
healthy and really nice to serve. We'll make oyster mushrooms saute, and then we'll place them in individual dishes and cover with egg and bake it.
And that's it. It sounds simple.
And there is one also surprising ingredients later.
Oh,
when
I
they're
see.
ready.
And we
Yes.
have to wait.
So we have whole.
We have to wait to find out what that ingredient is. huh?
Yes.
So you
Yes.
mentioned oyster mushrooms.
Yes,
So that's what we're going to use today.
exactly.
Okay, and
See,
here they
they're
are.
actually very special mushrooms.
Wow.
They grow on old trees, like dead trees.
Dead
and
trees.
they have even like reputation of the cleaners. They clean the environment.
Really?
Yes.
They filter the air
They
and
filter,
so on?
yes. There is lot of
Wow, oyster
evidence
mushrooms.
of this. But I put them in the cold water, so they are getting a little bit softer, and clean them, of course,
Yep.
because all this should be cleaned. And I'll
Now, I understand
Blend
they've
it.
been around for thousands of years, these oyster mushrooms. and,
yes,
you use them for cooking and also as a medicinal
right,
product as well.
right.
Right.
Because they're very well. Because so I need to start with onion. I
Okay.
have sweet onion. I'll cook it, and then I'll add mushrooms.
So the oyster mushrooms, they have a significant antibacterial activity, which supports the immune system.
Immune system, yes, it is straight in your general health.
And also they contain unique protein, carbohydrates, and fiber.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
And they also have a significant antioxidant property that protects cells in the body.
Yes, this is very important feature of them.
And they naturally produce compounds called statins, which help to reduce the bad cholesterol.
Yes, this is a unique ability. And drugs like some medicine based on statins, like simvastatin and things like that, people take against to lower the cholesterol. So, can you imagine they have it naturally?
And it seems like oyster mushrooms are really a very healthy product to have.
Absolutely, yes, very healthy,
And they
low
have-
GI.
They have a low GI, they have low calories, they contain healthy nutrients like zinc, for example, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin C, B1 and B2.
Yes, and they're delicious.
And they're delicious on top of all of that.
Yeah.
Can you believe a food that has so many great qualities for your health and tastes great as well?
So,
Well, I have to
Here
be
is the
honest with
food.
you, I have never eaten an oyster mushroom.
oh really? I
Really?
use them. I like them more. Like every mushroom have different taste. So these have special taste, which we'll use today. The stem should be removed because it is heavy and strong, so we
okay.
don't need it. What we need is just
Okay, so you're taking the stems
Yes.
off of it. Okay, so you just need the
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 heads
leaf
or
part of
whatever,
it.
how you call it. Yeah, they are the stems are very heavy, so it is not going to add anything to the meal. They cook maybe the same or maybe a little bit longer than white mushrooms. If you see them in the forest, you wouldn't even think that you can eat them, right? It looks like maybe poison mushroom, right?
Right.
But they are very, very beneficial for your health.
And can you find these in most stores, or you have to go to a specialty store for it?
Most stores, they
Most
have
stores?
it. Yeah,
Well, this is
just
going to be an
several
interesting dish,
packages.
really.
Yes, and it can be breakfast, it can be lunch, and
Breakfast and lunch.
even it can be very nice light dinner. Or summer, it's all good. There are so many varieties of mushroom, and we used to pick them when I was a kid in the forest.
Did you find that they were easy to find? That they were on a lot of trees? These type of oyster
Oh,
mushroom?
this not. No, this one, but different. And you can do so many things with mushrooms. Like fresh one, you can make a soup or saute, and certain kinds you can marinate and salt, and so it's not just healthy thing. You can make several dishes of this, and they're delicious. It can be addition to another meal, like let's say you make a steak, something, so you can add marinated
Can be a
mushroom,
side dish?
side dish, and it can be dish by itself, like we are making it today. So we are getting close to adding mushrooms.
So now you're slicing them.
Yes, I like to slice them long and big slices because they're delicious, so you feel them better, better than to make them very, very tiny pieces. So you see how they look. Unfortunately, the outcome is not as big because almost half is going to trash. You cannot eat it. So look how it's beautiful and goldish.
Oh, those look great, those
Look great.
onions.
Yeah, very nice. And our mushrooms are ready.
Ah, so the oyster mushrooms
So
go right in.
Are going right in, and we are going to add several ingredients also before we place them there. First we need to salt it. To add some pepper. And white wine.
White wine.
Mushroom and white wine.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
amazing.
what a great aroma. That smells great.
They are special. They're like probably there is a dish for any mushroom.
Of course, there must be.
But these are going for this meal just perfectly. We'll cook them a little bit, and I'm going to add sour cream at the very end. When you choose sour cream and you want to watch your cholesterol, so you eat mushrooms, and then if you're looking for low fat, pay attention to ingredients and watch if it doesn't contain sugar or starch, because some sour cream, like light sour cream, they contain sugar and starch. If you don't have any issues with cholesterol, you are welcome to eat very plain sour cream and this.
Well, a lot of us have elevated cholesterol counts.
Yes.
And so we should be looking for these kind of things, right?
Yes, of course. Okay. Wine, sour cream. At this point, it shouldn't be overcooked. See, The one thing is great to add when there is milk products, it's nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
It's just add something special. Nutmeg. This is it with saute. We'll take our individual dishes and we'll place this wonderful mixture into each one. This is good amount for 4 cups. We'll add this too. Oh. Ah. Delish. Delish, delish. Look, it was the perfect.
I was going to say, with the experience shows you it's exactly perfect. Each one of them is exactly the same amount, and you've cleaned the whole pot.
This is just I'm
Emptied the whole pot.
surprised by myself.
Nice when it works out that way.
Okay, ready? All we need to do now is just beat 1 egg in each one. One. Two. And we'll place them,
On
let's
bake?
say what, like about 300 maybe.
300. Okay. Wow, that looks so nice right now. Look how beautiful that looks.
It is. It is.
This is going to really be something.
What we'll go into it.
You putting thyme in there?
I'm putting thyme, like whatever you like. If you like basil or whatever, like any green, you can use any green. But I really like this combination of thyme with sour cream and nutmeg, and it goes really well. You know, combination of flavor, it's not so easy to find, right? It should be.
I think you're right. I think you're right.
It should be something special.
It is quite a combination you have.
Well, hopefully you like it. Okay, let's put it there.
So while the eggs and the mushrooms and all that are cooking, what are you going to be doing over here?
Ready. Let's add something to this,
Okay.
right? Because this little cup, it may be not enough, and you need some more protein. So a very good addition will be frying cheese.
Frying cheese.
Yes, and you can find many kinds now.
What is this kind of cheese?
It's something Mexican, I think. Just white cheese.
Wow.
Oh, they're delicious. You just fry them. Oh, it's so fast. It's too fast. And just a little bit, because it is brownish very quickly. And we'll remove it, and this is it. Oh. Oh. Super. So, have you ever tried fried cheese?
I have not.
You see, today you are
I'm getting a taste of everything today.
Several new meals. Well, hopefully you like it. So let's see what is going on here. Oh, this is good. Look at this. Wow, they look really nice.
Dr. Irina, this is a great presentation. I mean, it's so pleasing to the eye also to see how this is with the cheese and the olives and the mushrooms, of course.
Mushrooms and onions and
And
egg.
And the egg in there. And that's very
Very
good.
good combination, yes.
Wow.
No carbs at all.
Uh-huh. Okay, well, let's start off with a taste of cheese, perhaps.
Okay. When it was frying, it got soft, but now it is getting harder. Delicious, huh?
This is delicious. This is
I love fried cheese.
fried cheese.
Yeah. It is more fulfilling if you are making it, let's say, for light dinner outside in summer. This may be not enough, but if you have cheese and olives and this, it will be nice.
And we're going to try some of this now. Oh, that's interesting. The egg really gives it a good flavor,
We
too.
probably need the teaspoons.
We're going to get some
Is
of
it
this
hot?
mushroom. This will be my first taste of these kinds of mushroom.
Okay, we'll wait for
Gonna
your
wait for it? Okay.
approval. Is it different?
It's a great flavor.
You see?
It's a great flavor.
You see?
Usually mushrooms don't have that kind of flavor.
This is what I'm saying. These are different and
Wonderful.
preferable.
These are wonderful.
It turned out like a little soup even. Because this sauce is very good and delicious.
So this is another great dish. And we want to mention also that Dr. Irina has written a book, Taste of Thoughts. And she also has a website which has a lot of different recipes on it.
Yes.
And so you should check out that website. Well, Dr. Irina, thank you very much. This is a great treat.
You are very
So
welcome.
many good things here.
Lots of new things for you.
It is a new thing. It's something completely new, and I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
That's our program for today. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
See you.
Wow, this is really very unique.